Hello there, this is Matt, and this video is about Forex trading, or mainly my experience with Forex and what actually got me into it. I started trading Forex about 5 or 6 years ago. I was still working Great American Cookies. I was in high school, and I had a friend there who told me about Forex trading. It seemed very interesting, but at the same time, it would seem very difficult to me. And over the years, I've learned that it's actually pretty simple. And if you like to start making money online, it's online because you can start trading online. Forex is a good place to start because it doesn't require as much capital as other things. And let's say for stock trading, if you want to day trade, you usually need about $25,000 in your trading account to be able to day trade. Otherwise, after a couple of trades, you can't do any more day trades. For Forex, that doesn't really happen. You can day trade as much as you want. And the better thing is that if you have a small account size, you can trade on margin. I use this trading app called Oanda, and with them, I can trade up to 50 times my account value. Now, I never recommend anyone do that, and I don't really trade more than 2 times my account value because that's where I put my risk at. But for you, if you like to start making money like that, Forex is a very good place to start. And it's very simple. There are a lot of videos online. And if you'd like me to teach you more about it and share my experience with it, definitely leave a comment below or hit that like button, and I will make more videos on it. But for this video, I'll tell you about the hurdles or what you need to do to get into Forex. And it's not really that many hurdles. You just have to be able to open an account. You could be a resident of the United States, and just simply after you open an account, make a deposit for Oanda. I believe it's $50. And after you have that account, you can simply start trading. Now, you could start trading on a demo account, but demo accounts, what happens with them is that you don't really get the market conditions. You don't experience it, and you have something called slippage. You don't experience that in a trading account, demo trading account, because your orders get fulfilled immediately because it's just a demo account. But in a real account, you can have other problems. But that doesn't mean that you shouldn't do a demo account. I definitely recommend it. Honestly, I would say that you need to do a demo account for at least 3 months, get a good feel for it, establish your risk management and your trading psychology. But as soon as you start trading with your own money, I recommend that you start small and set milestones for yourself. So if you start with $100 account, after you reach a certain milestone, you have a certain amount of money that's come in, then you can double your account and deposit another $100. And what I recommend is that you stick to a certain trading plan. So you have your risk set at a certain place and your profit at a certain place. Never, ever break your rules. Don't think that, oh, this is a great trade. I see the graph and the numbers add up and it's just the perfect thing to get into. And what happens is that you enter a crazy trade that you can't actually fix it. You start losing a massive amount of percentage of your account. You're trading on a 50 times greater than your account value, and at that point you're like 1% is good. That's where I'm going to put my risk at. And what happens if you don't know what you're doing with that 1% is that, let's say you have $1,000 account and you're trading half a lot, which is $50,000. You end up losing $500 if you lose 1%. So you have to be very careful when you're trading at those high volumes and you're using margin trading. Know your risk management. I'll probably make a video about risk management because that's mainly the most important thing when it comes to trading. If you don't know your risk management, you lose. What I tell people is that even if you don't understand the charts as much as you understand risk management, you still be able to make good money. If you master risk management, that's the one thing that will definitely help you be successful in Forex trading. There are a couple of good risk management books that I will definitely leave a link below. And I'll tell you, read the whole book and try it out. Like, what you need to do is that go try it. Go on the charts and apply that risk management, and have your numbers in a Excel spreadsheet, log everything, have a trading log, and try the risk management strategies that they have in these books. And if it doesn't work for you, try to come up with your own risk management strategy, because every person trades differently, and you might not be willing to risk as much, or you might want to risk more. I'll try to leave my Excel spreadsheet, my risk management strategy, in the next video that I make about risk management. And you can use that. You can see the things that I've done. You can see over the years what I've been able to achieve with those risk management numbers. Now, again, if you have any more questions about Forex, if you want me to make more videos about Forex, and if you'd like me to tell you more about my experience with Forex, leave a comment down below and ask a specific question. Ask whatever you want, and I will answer it as soon as I can. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.